Hey everybody, what's going on? Eric C here. The Art of Noise. Yes, that was a change that I made on YouTube probably 4 or 5 years ago, something like that. And it never showed up on my channel until now. The Art of Noise. Yes. Get it? Guitars, art, me playing, noise. Anyways, this is going to be a different type of a video. This is going to be kind of like an apology video. I've been kind of rough on somebody. A lot of you other guys have been kind of rough on our friend Terry 3G's. Yes. He's had it pretty bad. Things haven't been, also great for him. His financial troubles and everything else that he's been going through. He can't help that he was a basement dweller. But by the look of this photo, I could see why he was put in the basement.
I'm now in my new part of the house.
Congratulations, you made it above ground. You are now up in the world. But you could tell somebody's social activity by the way that they arrange their furniture. Most people will arrange their furniture in a way to where you could sit down and have a conversation with somebody and not have to kind of strain yourself to look at them sitting on the side of you. Usually it's like, kind of like an L shape. You're able to sit and discuss, socialize and have a good time with people that come over. Well, you can tell that this person really isn't a social person when it comes to having company. I also have to express his acknowledgement and his wrongdoings as far as trashing guitars. Yes, in a previous hangout, he ended up mentioning some of his oopsies. But that's not what this video is really about. Stay tuned.
Better ride this one out in the closet.
So here in the States, June is the LGBTQ Pride Month, and it's celebrated. And, everybody has the right to celebrate their sexuality. If they are straight, if they are gay, if they're bisexual, whatever the case may be, you're allowed to be free. You're allowed to express yourself. You're allowed to interact with the people that want to express themselves as well. And you know what? Good for you. So if you notice that Terry 3G's has made a lot of changes on his Twitter account. Now, you used to see a lot of comments to male and female. Some were kind of questionable as far as age goes, of being the age of 18 and up, and nevertheless, he's made some changes. He's cleaned up and gotten rid of a lot of the comments that he felt needed to be made to a lot of the bisexual people that were on Twitter. Why? Be proud. You've come a long way. You've ended up, showing a side of yourself that a lot of people didn't know. So now he's kind of restricted just to commenting to, some of the women that are on Twitter that are, well, I can say look like of age. So say. A lot of changes were made. If you're bisexual, be free. Be happy. Don't be afraid to hide it from other people. Don't be ashamed. And don't go running back to the closet. Be happy with yourself. Consider this an apology.